There are some great keyboard shortcuts that are included in the standard Microsoft Office installation. For instance, Control-Shift-7 has the ability to put outside borders around a selection, and also Control-Shift- can remove all the borders from a selected area. Let's take a look at these. If we highlight this area right here and hit Control-Shift-7, it will wrap an outside border around the area. Highlighting that same section and hitting Control-Shift- is going to remove all the borders. These are two shortcuts that you can go ahead and use even if you don't have an installation of Macabacus. Let's take a look at some of the things that Macabacus does that are even better than these shortcuts. One of the things that Macabacus can do for us down here is it has the ability to use this Control-Alt-Shift and then the arrow keys. And that's going to enable us to put either top, left, right, or bottom borders in place. Let's look at how this works. If we go up to this area here and just hit Control-Alt-Shift down, we get a simple dotted border. If we hit that twice, we get a little stronger border, 3 times a darker border, 4 times, and we get like a double border. We've got the ability to cycle through really quickly using Macabacus. Let's go ahead and demonstrate some of these extra features that we get with Macabacus. Let's first just wipe out these borders, and we're going to go down and first demonstrate the outside border cycle on these tables. We're going to quickly put some really nice outside borders in place. That was so fast using these Macabacus shortcuts. Again, these are all acting like cycles, allowing us to cycle through all of our different options for outside borders. Now let's take a look at what's available for the inside border cycle. Same idea, we'll start on the left. Again, it is so fast to put these borders in place when we can make use of these cycles and just rifle through the different options really quickly. As always with Macabacus, it's a great idea to understand where we can get into these settings and change them if we need them. Let's go up to the ribbon under Macabacus, Settings. We're going to click Configure, and we want to go down to this left-hand side where it says Other. If we click Other, we're going to see this is exactly where the border style cycle is located. And you can see on the left, we have lots of available borders that we can bring over into our selected cycle on the right. We're going to find that with Macabacus, we have so much control over these settings. We're going to be able to customize the software exactly to the way we want it, which is going to help us move so quickly through our work. If you're enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you soon in the next video.